Welcome to Soulfood Sessions with Naya, first annual Nassau, Bahamas cruise. Soulfood Sessions with Naya had the honor of hosting our first annual cruise with 62 plus women from around the globe. We came together on the first day to network, to have a good time. On Saturday, we met at the beautiful town center for yoga and meditation. We topped it off at Junkanoo Beach for one amazing photo shoot wearing our custom UCAN bathing suits. After our amazing photo shoot, we took a tour of Nassau, Bahamas, going to Fort Fincastle, the Queen Staircase, the Rum Cake Factory, and of course the amazing Atlantis Resort. On Sunday, we had one amazing empowerment session where lives were transformed, chains were broken, and purposes were activated. You don't want to miss our second annual Nassau Bahamas cruise, which will be taking place in April 2020. Make sure you follow soulfoodsessionswithnaya.com for all the details.